Varqá is one of the luminaries of the Baha'i Faith, who was an apostle of Bahaullah, who in the end laid down his life in the path of the faith. On his first pilgrimage in 1878 to 1879, Varqá came in contact with the divine spirit and was utterly magnetized by the onrushing forces of Baha'u'llah's revelation. He truly became a new creation and emerged as one of the spiritual giants of that age. The first time he gazed upon the face of Baha'u'llah, he was surprised because he thought that he had previously seen him somewhere, but he could not remember the occasion or the place. He was puzzled by this until one day, after several times coming into his presence, Baha'u'llah said to him, "Varqá, burn away the idols of vain imaginings." On hearing these words, Varqá immediately recalled a dream he had when he was a child. He was in a garden playing with some dolls when God arrived, took the dolls from him, and burned them in a fire. When he told his dream to his parents, they pointed out to him that no one can see God. However, he had completely forgotten this dream until that day when the words of Baha'u'llah, exhorting him to burn the idols, aroused his memory, and he knew that he had seen Baha'u'llah in his dreams as a child. The message Varqá received to burn the idols in his life rings true for us all even today. One could say that perhaps the dolls in his dream represent the playful, immature, and unimportant vices in our lives which hinder us from reaching our true potential. Let us then burn them away with the raging fire of the words of God. The holy words of a manifestation of God can have a profound life-giving effect on us as well, and are akin to a fire that burns away our impurities. In Varqá's case, this fire proved to also be a light that illumined a long-lost dream and spurred him into a life of drama and intrigue that few men have ever experienced. Let us begin and continue in our everyday lives to read these precious words of God, which have been shared by the mouthpieces of God found in all ages in the world's major religions. In so doing, and with honest internalization, they will undeniably become a raging flame in our hearts that will transform us and awaken dreams that may have been long lost and forgotten.